Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're breaking down the court process for juvenile offenders in the United States, which is very different from the adult criminal justice system because its primary goal is rehabilitation, not just punishment. It all starts when a minor, typically someone under 18, is taken into custody by law enforcement. Unlike with adults, the police have several options. They might issue a warning and release the child to their parents, or they might take them to a juvenile detention facility. This leads to the first major step, which is called intake. Here, an intake officer, who is often a probation officer, reviews the case. This officer has a lot of power. They can dismiss the case entirely, handle it informally through a diversion program like counseling or community service, or they can file a formal petition with the court, which officially starts the court process. If a petition is filed, the next step is usually a detention hearing. This is an initial court appearance where a judge decides if the minor should remain in a secure facility or be released to their parents while the case proceeds. The judge considers if the youth is a flight risk or a danger to the community. After this, we move to the adjudication hearing. This is the juvenile equivalent of a trial, but it's usually less formal. In most cases, there is no jury. A judge hears the evidence and decides the facts. Instead of a verdict of guilty or not guilty, the judge determines if the minor is delinquent. The standard of proof is still the same as in adult court, beyond a reasonable doubt. If the judge finds the youth to be delinquent, the final stage is the disposition hearing, which is the juvenile version of sentencing. Again, the focus is on what's best for the child's rehabilitation. The disposition can range from probation, where the youth lives at home under strict rules, to mandatory counseling, paying restitution to a victim, or placement in a group home or a secure juvenile facility. It's important to note that for very serious crimes, like murder, a prosecutor can request a waiver hearing to have the case transferred to adult criminal court, where the juvenile would face adult penalties, including prison. This process is complex and varies slightly by state, but its core principles of protection and rehabilitation remain the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more legal explainers.